Like a lot of woodworkers, I've always dreamed about having a Grizzly tool. Now that I'm working for Buffalo Trace, it's the best of both worlds. We get to celebrate bourbon by making sawdust with Grizzly tools. We just couldn't be happier with what we've got going on here. It truly is the epitome of American industry here at Buffalo Trace. It's a privilege to be able to work in this space whose roots really go back to before the United States declared its independence. That's how much history is involved in here. They hired me on in 2022 to get Whiskey Woodcraft off the ground, me and two other fellers, and they've been so thrilled with our success. Buffalo Trace has now taken the risk of expanding our operations into a new 1,800 square foot space, and we're outfitting it almost completely with Grizzly tools. What we really wanted to do was prove that bourbon barrel staves, they have a unique aesthetic that you can't find anywhere else. And there are some colors and textures that only carpenters can find. And now that we're expanding our capabilities and onboarding more professional, more industrial and beefier tools like Grizzly, then I really think you're gonna see some really cool stuff come out of Whiskey Woodcraft. Thanks to Grizzly, we are now fully well equipped to really produce anything that we want as efficiently as possible. We just couldn't be more thrilled with how it works with our aesthetics, with our operations, and with their efficiency. Thanks to this expansion and with the help of Grizzly tools, we're going to be able to expand our reach and help these companies and these people really make something special with these bourbon barrels.